Like everyone, sometimes I also get stress, anxiety. My body starts reacting in different way. I feel tension in muscles. I feel like my heart is racing. Throughout the day I feel exhausted. Even it seems 8 to 9 hours of sleep is not sufficient for me. To reduce this anxiety, I follow few basic relaxing self-care activities and journaling techniques, and everything works for me. So today I will share few at-home self-care activities to reduce stress and anxiety. Journaling is something I have been doing since I was a kid. Journaling helped me to get mental clarity. It helped me to manifest things in my life. Whenever I am upset, I am stressed, I take out my journal and start dumping my thoughts on paper. I answer few basic questions whenever I feel stressed or having anxiety. Those questions are: write down what are the reasons of this stress or anxiety. Measure your anxiety level. What are the fearful thoughts are coming into my mind? Write down my anxiety triggers. What are the activities help me to reduce my anxiety? Is solution of the problem in my hand? If yes, what it is? And seventh, write down and visualize my ideal anxiety-free life. If you want me to make separate journal video on this topic, please comment down below. Meditation always worked like a miracle. My worries, stress, anxiety, everything go away after meditation. It brings inner peace. Spending even few minutes can restore your calm and inner peace. People often ask me, it is really difficult for them to meditate. Their minds wander. But what they don't know that is, this is the process. At first, you let your mind wander. You don't control your thoughts. Eventually, you learn how to control your thoughts and become the master of your mind. Another best self-care activity is spending time in nature. Science always says that nature can be good for people's mental health. As it is raining heavily in Sydney, I can't go out. So whenever I'm stressed, I don't feel good, I love to do gardening or take care of my indoor plants. I feel taking care of them means taking care of my soul and mind. I feel happy. Cleaning them, watering or propagating are my favorite self-care habit. Immediately it reduces my stress. I feel centered. As I told you, because of stress, I feel discomfort in my muscles and joints. Hot shower is the best stress relief for me. This house comes with a bathtub and I am utilizing it fully. According to psychologist Neil Morris, bath gives you wonderful combination of isolation, quiet and comfort. This feeling of comfort and easiness allow your mind and body to relax. These at-home self-care activities are inexpensive and easy to do. What is your favorite self-care activities to reduce stress and anxiety? Let me know in the comment section. So, see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.